ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 14ರಂದು ಪಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರದ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಜರುಗಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಿಎಸ್ ಐತಾಳ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Founders Day celebration of Srinivas University and group of institutions is organized at 11 a.m. on Monday, 14th February at the Srinivas College, Pandeshwara campus. Dr. Venkataramana Akkaraju, Honorable Chairman of New Mangalore Port Trust, will be the chief guest. Dr. C.A.A. Raghavendra Rao, Honorable Chancellor of Srinivas University and President of A. Shamrao Foundation, Mangalore, will be the President of the program. Dr. A. Srinivas Rao, Honorable Pro-Chancellor and Vice President of Srinivas Group of Institutions, will be accompanying in the program. Srimati A. Vijayalakshmi R. Rao, Trustee and Board of Governors of Srinivas University, Professor Srimati A. Mitra, Trustee Member and Board of Governors of Srinivas University, Srimati Padmini Kumar, Trustee Member and Board of Governors of Srinivas University, will be also on the dais. As you know, the proud son of Adaka Shamara, renowned senior chartered accountant, visionary academician, Dr. C.A.A. Raghavendra Rao started the first education institution under Srinivas Group of Colleges in the year 1988, which was Srinivas College of Hotel Management. The group was started with just 7 students, and today we have more than 12,000 students studying their higher education in various professional areas under Srinivas University and Srinivas Group of Institutions.